name is Bob. Today I'll be interviewing Ramsey the Great.
Oh, hello. Do you have any questions for me?
Oh, yes. What was some accomplishments you done in your lifetime?
One of my accomplishments is being a great builder. I built the Ramselium, Durrell, Canuck, Pyramses, and the new Abu Simbel.
Which is the great structure you built?
The famous and great one is the Abu Simbel. There are temples that were 4 of my statues in front of the temple. The statues were 66 feet tall.
What other accomplishments have you done?
Another accomplishment that I done is I was in the Battle of Kadesh. We were against the Hittites, outnumbered 20,000 and 50,000. But then we had a peace treaty with them.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that is it, folks. Brought to you by Ramsey. By Kirpa. Yay, he's awesome.